Hold on to your hats, Barbie fans. The moment you've been waiting for is finally here. Get ready for a doll that's ready to take the fashion world by storm. This isn't just any ordinary doll. Mattel is beyond thrilled to introduce the Styled by Maeve Reilly Barbie Doll, a true masterpiece in the world of fashion dolls. This isn't just any Barbie doll. It's a statement, a revolution in doll fashion. This one is designed by the one and only Maeve Reilly, the stylist to the stars. You know Maeve, the fashion genius. She's the genius behind some of the most iconic looks you've seen on red carpets and magazine covers. Her work is legendary. She's worked with everyone, and I mean everyone. From A-list celebrities to top models, Maeve's touch is unmistakable. And now she's bringing her incredible fashion sense to the world of Barbie. Imagine the possibilities. This doll is everything you love about Maeve's style. It's chic, it's trendy, and it's absolutely fabulous. It's cool, it's modern, and it's totally unique. A true reflection of Maeve's unparalleled fashion vision. It's like having a little piece of Hollywood glamour right in your own home. Imagine the elegance and sophistication. Trust me, this is one Barbie doll you won't want to miss. It's a collector's dream and a fashionista's delight. So, who is Maeve Reilly, you ask? Well, she's only one of the most sought-after stylists in the entire world. She's worked with some of the biggest names in Hollywood, creating show-stopping looks that have everyone talking. Her style is all about mixing high fashion with streetwear. Think designer dresses with sneakers or a glamorous gown with a leather jacket. She's not afraid to take risks, and that's what makes her work so exciting. Maeve's passion for fashion is contagious. She believes that clothes have the power to make you feel confident and express your individuality, and that's exactly what she's brought to her collaboration with Barbie. This collaboration between Mattel and Maeve Reilly is a match made in fashion heaven. Mattel is known for creating dolls that are both aspirational and relatable, and Maeve is known for her ability to make fashion fun and accessible. Together, they've created a doll that celebrates individuality and encourages girls to express themselves through fashion. It's a reminder that you can be anything you want to be, whether you're rocking a ball gown or a pair of jeans and a t-shirt. This collaboration isn't just about creating a beautiful doll. It's about empowering girls to embrace their own unique style and to never be afraid to stand out from the crowd. Hold onto your credit cards because this Barbie doll is dressed to impress. Maeve has given Barbie a head-to-toe makeover, and the results are stunning. Let's start with the outfit, shall we? This Barbie is rocking a pair of wide-leg jeans that are so on trend right now. And check out that cream crop top. It's the perfect mix of casual and chic, but it's the oversized leather jacket that really steals the show. It's giving me major rock star vibes. And let's not forget about the accessories. This beauty is styled with 2 plastic chains, 1 silver and 1 gold, a pair of unique gold metallic earrings, and a sleek handbag. It's all in the details, people. Now, here's the catch. If you think you know everything about Barbie, think again. This isn't your average doll that you can find at any toy store. This is something truly special, a collector's dream. This beauty is a Mattel Creations exclusive and is marked as a gold label. This fashionable doll showcases the Andrea face sculpt and is designed with the GiGi body type, complete with high-heeled feet. The collaboration brings high fashion into the world of Barbie, merging iconic style with Maeve Reilly's renowned touch. Mark your calendars for October 22nd at 9:00 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is a date you don't want to miss. That's when this fashion-forward doll will be available for purchase. The attention to detail in her clothing is simply stunning, but there's a little secret I'm going to let you in on. It's something only true Barbie enthusiasts will appreciate. For the first 24 hours, only Barbie Club 59 members will have exclusive access to purchase the doll. This is your chance to be among the first. And the doll costs $35, which is a steal for this beauty. So if you're serious about adding this beauty to your collection, you better sign up for Barbie Club 59. Now let's talk about the packaging, because let's be honest, half the fun of getting a new Barbie doll is unboxing it. And trust me, Mattel did not disappoint with this one. The doll comes in a sleek collector's edition box that's almost too pretty to open. Almost. The box features a stunning photo of the doll along with Maeve Riley's signature, and inside you'll find a certificate of authenticity, so you know you're getting the real deal. But that's not all. The doll also comes with a special doll stand so you can display her in all her glory. Mattel really thought of everything. If you're a fan of the Styled by Maeve Reilly Barbie doll, then you're going to love what else Mattel Creations has to offer. Mattel Creations really does have something for everyone. Whether you're a collector who loves limited edition pieces, a fashion enthusiast looking for the latest designer collaborations, or just someone who appreciates a good dose of nostalgia, there's a bit of everything here. From Barbie dolls, styled by some of the biggest names in fashion, to reimagined classic toys, Mattel Creations is mixing the old with the new in creative ways that stand out. It's not just about collectibles, it's about the artistry and inspiration behind each release. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring that notification bell if you haven't done so already. Until the next time, guys. Bye.